Okay, so we're kind of up by the border, and I just want to. There's all these tall buildings, and they're kind of all over the place. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to walk this way, and just kind of show you what it looks like on ground level at nighttime. So, but basically, yeah, they're pretty massive, pretty tall. This part of Macau has a lot of them. I actually kind of call it the Manhattanization of Macau, because when you go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I might have a problem with this GoPro. I just turned it on and it's already being kind of funny. But yeah, actually check out those. I don't know if you can see how cool that stuff is. You can see all these cages just kind of hovering around, all of them. And let's see if we can even get across here. There's some pretty fast ones. There's like a little Jesus right here. Let's just kind of take a look at this one. So I don't know if this is a church or what, but it's kind of cool at nighttime. And actually you can see a park right behind it as well. So pretty cool. So let's just keep on exploring, and yeah, this is what's behind us. Tall buildings, and we're kind of up near the border, so I'm going to do another video in a little bit, and I'm just going to see how many people are over there at nighttime, coming and going. There's not supposed to be so many, but I keep seeing tourists. Yeah, and the reason I'm kind of complaining about the tourists is because we're all locked in. We're not supposed to go anywhere. Nobody's supposed to come in or out for foreigners. But and also Macau people can't go anywhere either. They can't go to China, and they can't go to Hong Kong. But apparently, just kind of go through one of these alleys. But I see lots of mainlanders that are able to come and go here. I see them on the tourist buses. I see them when I'm at the border. So we're gonna go check that out today, even at nighttime. Just kind of see how many people we see. This is an interesting plaza. You get closer to the border and it feels more like China. Like I feel like I'm in China here. I don't feel like I'm in Macau at all. Yeah, even all this kind of stuff is completely wide open. This one's kind of cool. This has all kinds of stuff for a temple. Okay, the gathering. All right, so we're just going to keep on exploring. Kind of a lucky. That's for luck. Okay, so we're going to get a little closer to the border, and we're just kind of checking stuff out. And you can see a little bit of Macau at nighttime as well. And I get a little bit disoriented around here, but you can just see all these tall buildings everywhere, right? These massive cages that go up and down them. Japanese cuisine. I think we either have to go down this way or that way. Might have to get my map, but let's kind of check out all these apartments though. I don't know if you can see that at nighttime. Let me just see here. I think we're gonna go down this way. Maybe go this way. We're gonna try to orient ourselves to where we have to go. Kind of suspect it's this way. Let me just see. Okay, let me just orient myself with my phone. So actually I just had the biggest find of my Macau life. This is actually my favorite kind of sushi because they have it right here, and I didn't realize they had this in Macau. So usually I go to Hong Kong and I travel in and I see them over there. But yeah, this is called a Light Rail Sushi Express. So you can just get it, and then like basically when you order it, there's a little trains right there and they come in. So we're gonna go in and check it out, and I'm definitely gonna go there. So that's gonna stop my exploration of all these tall buildings. I didn't realize this was here. It's amazing. Okay, I think the entrance is over here, so let's just walk over that way. And is this it right here? Yeah, this is it. So okay, my mask on. And let's see. Please wait for your seat. Well, I guess that's me. one person, right? Anyways, this is what we're going to be getting into right now. Just one. How do I... Here? One?
One people?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
36一位.
Thank you. Okay, I guess we can sit anywhere. So yeah, this looks pretty cool.
This way?
This way? Oh, 36. Okay. So I have to find the number, I guess, 36. So let's see. Hello. Okay, right there. Perfect, 36. Okay, 36. So they're gonna have a little thing that's gonna come through, and you see, I can't see any now, but I'm gonna grab this, and we'll just see if I can. We'll figure this out, and then we'll let you know if this is the kind of stuff I can get. So we got a little bit coming, and it's gonna come in here in a minute, and well, anyways, I'm gonna eat this real quick. Got more coming. Some more. So this one's comes here. This one comes down. Push that one. And this one goes all the way down. Wait a moment. Okay, so we'll just take this card. So after we put everything in there, and we take the card and then we go out and we pay over here. This is a really amazing find. Okay, no worries. So in a minute we're gonna walk outside and we're gonna explore out there again, and we'll see all the density again. But we'll get this first. Okay, so so basically this is the location right there. Sashimi Light Rail Sushi Express, and it's on a street called Rua da Paz. And another, that one doesn't have the street name, but Rua da Paz. And then straight ahead is the border, and there's we're just gonna go take a look, and we'll try to get to the border, and then we're going to probably end this one. Oh, there we go. Avenida do Hippodromo. So that's the corner of where this is at, so I need to know that myself so I can get back. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna conclude this video in a few minutes. And actually you can see they have quite a bit of stuff here. They have like Park and Shop, they have the sashimi place, they have kind of like another big chain is called Royal. So let's just see, I think this one is gonna be, oh, okay. Huh. There's a beer place called Poker Cafe Bar. So actually I know exactly where we are. We're kind of right over by the border right here. So we're just gonna walk across. Let me just see if we can get across here. Okay, let's see what this one is. Okay. Okay, so so the border is like straight up this way, and so that basically we're really close. So that sushi shop was like really close to the border. I should be able to easily find that again now. And then all this whole area is basically where there's like big plazas and parks you can hang out at. McDonald's up there, so I've definitely filmed this area before. And so we're gonna conclude right in this space, and you can see all these tall buildings everywhere. So, okay. And we're gonna head over to the border. We're gonna do another video over there. And yeah, the border has everything. We got Park and Shop, the Japanese place, little plaza, and then you just have like kind of massive amounts of tall buildings everywhere. Okay, we're gonna conclude right there. Yep, we got our line of taxi that goes all the way up, so we're gonna kind of walk over by this bus stop and just gonna see. But it looks like there's it looks like it's business is back. But we'll see. Once I see the casino buses, it'll kind of confirm one way or the other. But like, there's a lot of people like this guy coming across with all these suitcases and luggage and stuff. And I mean, maybe they're just people that have Macau family or Macau residency and they live in China, or have family that they can go back and forth. But I don't know. So yeah, I shouldn't get worked up about it, but it's kind of but for all of us that are living in Macau, we can't go anywhere. I mean, Chinese Macau people as well cannot. We can't just you know, we just have this one little city, and then but then when I talk to my friend, there's like people coming from all over. So yeah, there's all the buses too. Dang, that means tourism is open for mainlanders. We're kind of hoping for a travel bubble. So by a travel bubble, basically that means that that, you know, like if you live in Macau, you maybe can go back and forth to Hong Kong at least, and maybe Zhuhai as well, like without doing a 14-day quarantine. But China still has, we have 0 cases. Hong Kong just got 3 recent cases, and China keeps getting a few cases here and then as well. Huh, all these buses are white. None of them are casino buses. So I don't know what to think. There's people definitely standing around. Casino shuttle buses. So I don't know. I guess it's really hard to know. So these just look like generic tourist buses. They're not for the casinos. All right, so we're just gonna end it right there. Just a regular city bus that are everywhere. And we're just gonna end it. I'm gonna put these 2 photos together, the border, and then also you can just kind of see all these tall buildings everywhere, which is kind of a cool skyline when you first come in. So it's actually pretty amazing when you come through to Macau. And I don't mean to get so worked up about the fact that so many people are coming back and forth, but basically the whole world, nobody's going anywhere. All the planes are grounded, all the ferries are grounded. Nobody's going anywhere, so it's kind of a little frustrating that people are coming and going into the city, but we can't go anywhere. But maybe it'll all change later. I don't know. Hello.
1Q channel.
Thank you.
1Q channel.
1Q, yeah. All right. I should ask him where he's coming from.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.